most people's decision making is flawed. Hi, I'm Nick Marr and I'm absolutely thrilled to welcome you to my channel. Whether you stumbled upon me by chance or you're a returning viewer, I'm excited to have you here. This channel is all about helping you become better, stronger and happier in every aspect of your life. With over 20 years of experience as a coach for leaders of organisations and my own journey as an entrepreneur, I've gathered lots of insights and reflections that I genuinely believe will make a positive impact on your life. So welcome, curious minds, to an exploration of a thing called confirmation bias. I'm your guide today, and over the next 5 minutes, we'll unravel the intricacies of confirmation bias, what it is, how it impacts our thinking, and strategies to navigate its influence. So let's embark upon this enlightening journey together. So, introduction to confirmation bias. Before we dive in, let's understand confirmation bias. It's a cognitive tendency we all share where we selectively seek, interpret, and remember information that aligns with our existing beliefs. Essentially, we lean towards evidence that confirms that what we already think. It's very convenient. We ignore anything that challenges our perspectives. It's a subtle yet potent force that shapes our decision making without us even realizing it. We all are gathering evidence that we already believe in to create our decisions and make our decisions. So, let's outline our journey. We're going to start by comprehending what confirmation bias is and its implications. Then we're going to explore strategies to overcome it, such as seeking diverse perspectives, challenging assumptions, and engaging in critical thinking. But we won't stop there. We'll discuss how we can be a hero by leveraging confirmation bias to our benefit, family and friends and our co-workers. So stay tuned for our powerful conclusion that ties this all together. So, confirmation bias unveiled. Confirmation bias, as we've discussed, is a cognitive bias where we instinctively gravitate towards information that supports our beliefs, while dismissing anything that contradicts them. It's like wearing glasses that selectively filter out certain viewpoints. Understanding this bias is the first step towards liberating ourselves from this influence. Strategies to overcome confirmation bias. Now, how do we break free from confirmation bias's chains? Here are some really good strategies. Seek out diverse perspectives. Actively search for information from various sources, even those that contradict your beliefs. Challenge your assumptions. Identify and question your assumptions. Ask yourself what evidence supports or contradicts them. Gather all available evidence. Resist the temptation to cherry-pick information. Make an effort to consider all available evidence, even if it challenges your beliefs. Be open-minded. Embrace openness to new information. Be willing to consider ideas that may challenge your existing beliefs. Engage in critical thinking. Evaluate evidence objectively and explore alternative explanations. Don't simply accept information at face value. Question it. Okay, being a hero with confirmation bias. We're turning confirmation bias from a negative to a positive. Now let's explore how confirmation bias can be turned into a force for good. Encourage open-mindedness. Foster an environment where alternative viewpoints are valued. Share diverse perspectives. Actively present information from various sources to promote well-rounded decision making. You can impress your colleagues with this. Frame information positively. align information with values to make it more palatable to others, offer gentle guidance when faced with resistance, guide others towards reconsideration with empathy and evidence. Foster self-awareness. Encourage self-reflection to help people recognise and challenge their own biases. In conclusion, confirmation bias is a powerful force influencing our decisions. By seeking diverse perspectives, challenging assumptions, and fostering open-mindedness, we can break free from its grasp. Remember, you can be a hero by using confirmation bias positively, impacting your life and those around you. So embrace critical thinking, stay open-minded, and let confirmation become a tool for positive change. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey.